Thousands of young Nepalis apply to join the British Army annually. The selection occurs in 3 phases. Let's break it down. Phase 1, registration. Candidates submit details online and report to centers. Documents are checked with basic medical screening, English and math tests, and physical tasks. Only those who pass move on. Phase 2, initial selection. This stage is tougher. Candidates bring original documents. Physical tests become stricter. Medical checks are detailed, covering eyesight, hearing, BMI, and blood pressure. Candidates are scored. Phase 3, final selection. Top candidates face challenges: runs, Doko race, jerry can carries, and tests. They sit English exams, plus medical evaluations and interviews. Only the best train as Gurkhas. This process demands fitness, discipline, intelligence, and determination. Being selected is a lifelong honor.